Hi, Hazel Rain. It's Grandma. I'm going to read you a story. It's called She is Born, a celebration of daughters. So you can see it. Can you see it? Okay. For a moment, everything hushes. Then the balmy breeze whispers, shh, shh. The ocean continues, shh, she is, shh, she is. Born, born, born. Booms the thunder, and earth will never be the same. Voices of doctor, nurse, midwife will mumble over height and weight and wholeness. See, it's a baby like you. She will be bundled in a bark cloth blanket, knitted bunting, kaross cape, and hugged into belonging. Her father will hand out cigars, offer a beloved bullock, plant a cypress tree. Others will welcome her, pink balloons strung on porch railings, pink bows tied to doorknobs, animals drawn in the sand surrounding her home. She will be taken to a sacred cave, dipped in holy water, held up naked to the starlit sky. In church, temple, grove of trees, shaman, priest, rabbi will receive her, pronouncing her name and proclaiming her existence. She will be called Elena, Bridget, Carmen, Deo, Erica, Fatima, Gina, Hannah, Isabel, Jasmine, Katya, Louise, Mulan, Nanette, Olivia, Pinga, Kanisha, Reiko, Samira, Tawny, Ulani, Virginia, Winona, Santh, Yongmi, Zawadi, or it says Indigo Sky Waters here because this was hers when she was a baby, but Hazel Rain Waters. And given gifts of dream catcher carved soapstone seal loops of ostrich eggshell beads. At first with wide gray, blue, brown, green, black eyes, she will view the world from Amut, Lapa, Rebozo. In the time, her body will grow strong on cornbread, rice cakes, manioc porridge. Her hands will embroider delicate flowers onto festive clothing, twine vines into letters around her fingers, make maíz into meal between metates. Her feet will kick soccer balls to victory across foggy fields, wade through rocks of cocoa beans to dry them, dance to the rhythms of her uncle's drums. You're playing soccer. Her head will harbor math facts, mythology, memories of loved ones gone to their graves. Her mouth will sing remembered lullabies to littler ones, speak the languages of her sisters on the other side of the globe, pray for crops to bloom and peace to grow. They're beautiful pictures. I know you don't really see the pictures clearly yet, but you will later. She will be daughter, sister, cousin, niece, aunt, friend, wife, and someday, maybe even she will feel the balmy breeze cool her wrenching pain and hear the whooshing waves over her moaning and yell for joy with the booming thunder. She is born. while mutter, mama, mere, echoes from the mountains, and earth will never be the same. Because she is born. Isn't that a beautiful story? Do you like that? Well, I'll try and get you the book. And so next time, I'll read you another story, and hopefully you can keep these when you get older, and then when you're going to bed or something, when your mother or father are maybe too tired or they already read you a story or something like that, you can just press play and you can hear me read you a story. I know your daddy will like this one. This is Ecclesiastes, but it's a story, so I'll read that one maybe next time, okay? This is also a beautiful book. I only save some books because I like the pictures, but I don't have a lot of the baby books anymore. I didn't keep a lot of those ones, That would be more, of interest for you. So next time we'll do that, or maybe we'll sing a song, okay? Like nursery rhymes or something like that, okay? I love you, Hazel. Mwah.